Hi everyone, I am Shashi Ranjan from IIT Kharagpur. I belong to section 15. My roll number is 20MT321. Here is my DIY assignment 2. I have made a smoke detector using Arduino in Tinkercad. So now I will give a brief introduction of this smoke detector and will tell you about the components used in this. So this smoke detector has a gas sensor, as you can see here. This is a gas sensor. A gas sensor is a device which detects the presence or concentration of gases in the atmosphere. Based on the concentration of the gas, the sensor produces a corresponding potential difference by changing the resistance of the material inside the sensor, which can be measured as a output voltage. So in this circuit, I have used a piezo speaker here, and two LED bulbs, red and green, resistors, Arduino, and a breadboard. So now the next question is that how this smoke detector works. So this will work according to the code that you can see here. This is the code. This I have made it using code blocks. So this is a code. So when the smoke concentration is very low, then the green LED glows. When the concentration is increased to a certain limit, the red bulb starts glowing and the green bulb turns off. When the concentration exceeds the danger limit, the piezo speaker starts working and makes the noise with the tone 60 for 1 second, as you can see in the code here. Here the play speaker on pin 13 here. Piezo speaker's negative terminal is connected and with tone 60 for 1 second. So in this way the piezo speaker works. So in this way the smoke detector informs us about the smoke according to its concentration. So now let's start stimulation first, and also we can observe the serial monitor here. So first start the stimulation. Let's start the simulation. So the simulation has started, as you can see, and now the smoke is here. So the green light is glowing because the concentration is very low, and when it comes nearer, the red light will glow. You can see the red light has grown. So now when the concentration increases, the piezo speaker starts working, and when it is away, the piezo speaker will stop, and the red LED will continue glowing here. And when it comes more farther, goes more farther, then this green LED glows again, and the red LED switches off. So in this way you can observe the once again. So when it comes nearer, the red LED glows, and when the concentration increases, the piezo speaker starts working. Let's move it some farther. Then the piezo speaker will stop. As you can see, now the piezo speaker has stopped, and the red LED will glow. So it glows, and when it is more farther, then the green LED glows. So in this way it works. So when I observed in the serial monitor, you can see here the serial monitor, the intensity showing is 85 here. So when I make it somewhat closer here, then the intensity you can observe is increasing. It is becoming 100 and 100. For more than 100, you can see the red LED bulb glows, and for more than 300, the piezo speaker starts working. So piezo speaker starts working. So let's make the intensity less here, so that the piezo speaker would stop. So now it stops here, you can see. And for the red LED bulb, I make it somewhat closer. So now I am going to copy the code in the text format to compile it for this first stop the stimulation and block plus type. So I'll copy the text format of the code to compile it in Arduino IDE. So I have copied the code. So now I'm going to Arduino IDE. I'll make a new file here and let's see. So I'll paste the code here and I'll compile. So it will ask me to save here. So I'll save it and the compilation started here. So yes, the code is now compiled here. So it looks fine. So this was my DIY assignment. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.